Hey guys, so I just got in from Amazon the tow hook license plate. So I took my original off, just dangling it on. I didn't want to drill into the bumper. So what I'm doing here is I put this into the tow hitch, but I don't like this gap here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to matrix. I just cut out this piece of cardboard, and now I've got to figure out how this thing is gonna sit in here. So I'm just gonna draw, and this has to be in totally snug because the path of insertion has to be exact, or I'll have to cut a round circle hole here for this to rotate, and I'm trying not to do that. So let's see what we can do here. I'm just gonna eyeball it and see if this works, and then drill it into the plastic. And then this is the original that used to go there. So hopefully we can get a perfect fit. So I'm running into a bit of an issue here. This is coming out of the bumper on an angle or straight out, whereas the bumper is curved. So doing this to line it up with the bumper is going to be extremely kind of hard. So I might have to just do a circle so this can just get in there. Alright, so I traced out my cutout and I'm using a handpiece to cut through the plastic with a diamond disc. A little bit hard, plus the path of insertion might be virtually impossible to get. So let's see what we come up with here. If not, then we'll just have to make a complete circle so I can rotate it once it's on the car and there's no interference with this plastic piece. So we're almost there. I'm just gonna pop it through, I guess. Perfect, but make that work. All right, so let's see here. I'm gonna save this piece just in case I ever, for whatever reason, get rid of this. All right, seems to have a pretty good fit. It's not perfect, but there's a little bit of wiggle room, which is good. So let's go try this on the car. All right, so I'm just trying this in here. It's in there as tight as it goes. Let's see if this actually fits. It's freaking snug. It's not the warmest day out here, so. Shit, that worked. So look how clean that is. That license plate is not coming out. And I can't even rotate it, so it won't like dislodge as I'm driving and whatnot. So that's actually, wow, really good. Just takes a little bit of elbow grease and just make a cardboard outline and you should be good to go. But I just want to make it nice and clean. So I'll go get the license plate, put all that stuff on, and then we'll figure out positioning and go from there. Alright, so there it is. I just gotta tighten these bolts. But all I did was, all these holes back here are for the positioning, and this is my best position that I thought was best for me. And then I just put in that one screw, and now I'm just gonna finish it off. So there's other projects coming on this car. Let me know what you think. I want to lower the car. I'm not sure if I'm going to. I just got some exhaust tips. I'm going to do the exhaust next, and keep me posted. All right, peace.